Be ready for anything with DuroMax's XP12000EH, the 12,000 watt dual fuel portable generator. Nicknamed the Beast, this unit provides the power normally found in home standby units, but in a portable package. Offering power and versatility, the XP12000EH is perfect for powering your home's essential appliances and even central AC through any power outage, storm, or emergency event. You can also easily transport this unit to the job or campsite. This dual fuel monster runs on either gasoline or propane, which provides the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. While gasoline is a tried and true fuel option, liquid propane lasts longer, costs less, and has a longer storage life and won't gum up the carburetor. With DuroMax dual fuel capability, the choice is yours. Designed for safe and easy operation, the XP12000EH features a user-friendly electric start that's as simple as starting your car. It's also equipped with an optional recoil start and features a low oil shutoff sensor to protect the engine. This powerhouse generator is powered by a 457cc, 18 horsepower DuroMax OHV engine that feeds the fully loaded power panel, allowing the user to pull up the maximum 12,000 watts of power. The power panel includes two 120 volt 20 amp outlets, one 120 volt 30 amp twist lock outlet, a 120 or 240 volt 30 amp outlet, and a 50 amp heavy duty outlet to power the most demanding needs. The panel also features a voltmeter, circuit breakers, low oil indicator, idle control, and DuroMax's unique MX2 RV switch, which doubles your 120 volt amperage for heavy loads. With it, you can get maximum power from each 120 volt receptacle and have the option of operating at both 120 and 240 volts simultaneously. The Beast heavy-duty all-metal frame has fully isolated motor mounts and an oversized noise-reducing muffler with a built-in spark arrestor for allowing smooth and quiet operation. The XP12000EH is easy to transport over any terrain with the included handle kit and runs on solid fill tires. Like all DuroMax generators, this unit is built with all copper windings that last for years, and it's covered by our 3-year factory warranty. The XP12000EH is a fully loaded workhorse that can power through any situation and keep you going. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.
Champion Power Equipment's 3,500 watt digital hybrid portable generator with quiet technology is one of the most innovative products on the market. A smaller, quieter, lighter, and better overall generator. With integrated digital components found in more advanced inverters and a more efficient mechanical design, Champion's digital hybrid generator is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 3,500 watt generator. Perfect for using with your RV or as a convenient source of backup power around the house. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. And during a power outage, this unit can provide enough backup power to run the essential items you need in an emergency. Your lights, sump pump, refrigerator, fan, computer, TV and internet, and more. This generator has an intelligent eco mode that monitors power consumption in real time. As the electrical demand is reduced, the engine automatically idles down, allowing for quieter operation, extended engine life, and higher fuel economy. In eco mode, the digital hybrid generator provides up to 17 hours of runtime on a full tank of gas. This unit is also parallel ready and can connect with another hybrid generator or a compatible Champion inverter using a Champion parallel operation kit for increased power output. Champion's innovative 3,500 watt digital hybrid portable generator.
Introducing TogoPower's GG3600 portable gas generator. This powerful generator produces 3,000 watts of running power and 3,600 watts of starting power. On a full tank, it can run for up to 9 hours when running at 50% load. It features two 120 volt 20 amp plugs and a 30 amp receptacle. These plugs are protected by rubber covers when not in use. With a steel fuel tank and plastic control panel covers, the GG3600 is built to be corrosion resistant and durable, even in humid weather. The folding handle and never flat tires makes it easy to transport to and from wherever you need it. perfect for trips in the RV or to power equipment at a construction site. In the case of natural disasters, blackouts, or other emergencies, the GG3600 can provide power for the essentials at home, like lights, refrigerators, computers, and more. The TogoPower GG3600 gas generator, powerful and efficient.